Welcome to Goofing Off-Road. My name's Tony. When you buy a Bruder from Australia, it comes with lights for the license plate, but there are no holes to mount it. I just got my temporary registration, so I'm going to show you how to drill the holes and mount the license plate. To install the license plate, you're going to need blue tape and a pencil, a straight edge and a set square, a measuring tape, a drill and a drill bit, and in my case a 10mm socket and a ratchet. The parts you're going to need are some stainless steel sheet metal screws, some neoprene washers and some clear silicone. To start with, we're going to put on some blue tape so that we can mark the measurements to see where we're going to drill the holes. Next, we're going to mark the center line by going directly up from the middle of the backup camera. The holes on the license plate is 7 inches apart, so we need to drill a hole 3.5 inches from the middle on each side. The trailer may not be level right now, so to make sure the holes are level, I'm going to measure from side to side along the top seam. Measure down from there. And then measure across for my holes. Now you've got your holes marked, you can drill your holes. Be careful when you drill. This nameplate is made out of metal, and then behind it is fiberglass, and you only want to go through the metal and the outside skin of the fiberglass. Once your holes are drilled, you can remove the tape. Before I put the screws in, I'm going to put some silicone sealant in the holes to keep them waterproof. That's it, the license plate is installed, it's straight and it's in the middle. I hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe for more cool videos.